Oh man, Steak and Shake was filling, but damn, it was good. So I get in there and I look for who I'm going to meet, and yeah, the ex is sitting right there with her kids. That's like the second time I've ran into her in the last month. Usually I'm pretty good about not running into them. I don't know, just awkward. Oh well, gonna happen, you know. Unless I like end up moving to Alaska or something. You know, I used to eat Taco Bell every now and then. You know, I used to eat it a lot. I mean, shit, I think everybody's growing up on Taco Bell. But daggone, I ate some yesterday, and I am still feeling it today. Man, that stuff just tore me up. You know, I remember you go to Taco Bell with $4 and get freaking stuffed. Now it takes you like 15. Just the way it goes, so everything's gotta get more expensive. I wonder why it's against the law to pick up hitchhikers if they're cute. You know, I always wonder their story. You know, why are they walking? How far have they been walking? Where are they walking to? Do they even know? A hitchhiker's life. Just kind of, I don't know. Just one of the things I randomly think about. Though this one time, there was a chick in town with a bike and it started pouring down rain. And I mean pouring. And she was like 3 states away from being home, and I was on the bike too, and I was filling up. I was like, you know, I ain't trying to be like a nasty perv or anything, but I've got a garage if you want to wait the storm out. So she followed me back, ended up doing some maintenance on her bike. Ooh, those were nice legs. And, you know, she slept on the couch, I slept in bed. Had a good breakfast and sat and bullshitted, and you know, just had a real good time. You know, bikers in general, you can most all of them are pretty good, decent people. Oh yeah, I'm in Terre Haute. I've got to stop for everything. What are some of the weirdest things you've done on a bike? I think I might make a game out of this. I've eaten tacos while riding a bike. I have eaten spaghetti with garlic bread and a drink while driving a bike. What else? I think that's it. I think that's probably the 2 weirdest things that I've ever done. The taco, it wasn't that hard. But the spaghetti with the drink and the garlic bread, you know, of course that made a mess. But I was able to pull it off, and I got 20 bucks out of it. So it paid for a new shirt and washing the bike and the food, and it was worth it. And just to say I've done it. They used to do what was called cruising the Bash. Wabash Avenue goes right through Terre Haute. It's the main street. And you cruise from Arby's to Ponderosa or the car wash, or, you know, every town has a strip that you cruise. So cruising the Bash, you know, it was nothing. You know, I'm talking back in the late 80s, early 90s. You know, just have some chick hop on the bike and you just start riding her around. I remember I took this one woman and we went to a local park. You know, she just wanted to ride around the park and just kind of chill out. So we pull in the park and there's like 9 Cadillacs that pulls in behind us. And these big guys get out and they've got like chains and tire irons, knives, you know, no guns, but, and they were like ready to kick my ass. So I'm like freaking the hell out. You know, they got me boxed in. I can't get out anywhere. I'm by myself. And apparently I had this club's girlfriend on my bike with me. And they didn't like that at all. They let me escape with my life. And, you know, ever since then, I don't give anybody rides. Not like just single people out, but, you know, I don't cruise the bash or anything anymore. Man, I'm too old for that shit. You know, I'm a point A to point B kind of driver.